What's up, YouTube? This is gonna be a long video of like just me talking over. It's not gonna be a lot of face-to-face. I do appreciate you guys keeping up with my content. This place was awesome. The field, the facility, the staff, everyone was awesome. If you enjoyed the video or if you're down in this area, please give them a stop by. They even have BBs for Milsom players, aka outdoor players, and this place is awesome, man. And I probably look like a hot mess. I just got done playing. It's 103 degrees right now with the humidity, but the grand opening was awesome. I highly recommend. Let's get it. What's good, Speed Fam? So I'm gonna give you a little bit of B-roll of the field. Again, it's not gonna be a lot of vlogging, just mostly voiceovers. I went solo dolo to this field. Shout out to Jessica, that she also worked at Black Tiger Airsoft. Dope person, great photographer. So this is the part of the field that you enter from. As you can see to the left, actually I did not get it, so my bad, but the ref tower, the viewing, obviously it's only for refs at the moment. There's a lot of CQB style that I enjoyed. Grenades are allowed. I'm kind of against that. As y'all can see, I got fucked up by a grenade. But I mean, it's their rules. I just think it's a little bit too close quarters for grenades, you know, just to get, but it is a good advantage or good to get out of, you know, spawn traps and stuff. So I'm not fully against it. And yeah, this is like the midway point. The field is kind of a L shape, type of field. So this is where the lines connect. There's like a little mini hallway down there, as y'all can see in the gameplay. Moving forward, I'll be playing that for a bit. But let's move toward the other spawn. They got game modes, light games. If y'all did play at Battalion Airsoft Arena in Jacksonville, Florida, they have lights just like them. Yeah, but I enjoyed the field. I enjoyed the staff. I also got an interview with the owner of the field, so that was dope. He seems like he's about the airsoft community, so that's awesome to meet him and communicate and talk to the guy. All right, Speed Fam. So this is where the lobby is. Right when you enter the building, they have their store. They have, as you can see, a bit of an arsenal. They got waivers, BBs, mask, basically anything you can ask for when you come into the airsoft field, lipos, etc. That's the main counter where you're, like I said, you fill out your waivers, check in, sign in, and then once you're done, you'll head down this hallway. That's the owner right there, as y'all can that just entered that door. But if you paid for some type of air tag or HPA, this is where you'll get your air filled. That's for reps only in that door. And excuse me, once you enter through this noodle area, you'll go down this hallway. That's another exit from the field, but you'll go down this hallway. This hallway has restrooms, water fountains, sinks, you know, 2 restrooms. That doorway to the left is where you wait when you they call the games, which I'll show later on. I think he was congratulating me or something. But this is where the ready room is, you know. This is where everybody's set up. It does not AC-ed. If it is, it has no ventilation. So there is multiple fans. But you know, it is pretty hot in the ready room. Not gonna lie to you. Here's the rules, safeties, field safety and rules for their field. If you ever need to read it or catch up on anything. And like I said, this is where you would stand or sit when they call the games to get ready and wait. Yeah. Hey, what's up, brother? Here? Hot? How you doing, brother?
Good, how are you?
Hanging in there, man. Yeah, so
I'll see you in there.
All right, man. Y'all gonna be here regularly?
No, we're just here for the grand opening, man. We're a local business about to open a restaurant here in town.
You could drop your social medias if you want.
Doggylicious Florida. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Or if you're in Citrus County, today we're on the front page of the newspaper. So just go buy a newspaper. You can see
Awesome. I'm gonna ask you a little question. What made you start this business?
I owned a theater in Indianapolis when COVID hit. We sunk our life savings into it. We about lost everything with all the restrictions. And this old hot dog cart been sitting in the garage for a couple of years. And they were allowing us to set up as a food business. So I said, you mean to tell me this little hot dog cart's worth more than my theater I got all this money into? And I said, you know what? It's a necessity business. And we just went all in. Right now I got 5 hot dog carts. We got this one's the first one launching. We'll be launching the others soon. And I have a wood-fired pizza trailer business I'll be opening soon. So
congratulations,
we're capitalize on this area, man. We moved here all the way from Indiana to do this. I grew up in Tampa, but I chose Citrus County because I like the small town vibe of it.
Okay, that's awesome, man. Congrats.
Good place.
How long are y'all going to be here today?
I'll be here until 4 p.m. today.
All right, I'll make sure I buy something for me, boss. All right.
And you can always come check us out. Our daily location, Tuesday through Friday at 3850 East Gulf to Lake Highway, Inverness, Florida. We're set up next to the Ford dealership. Doggylicious, man. Come check us out.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it, brother.
Welcome to the Airsoft Baseball. That's the old e-bike helmet.
That's nice, man.
Yeah, thank you. That's the limited edition Nerf needler. I like it up and everything. Over here we have the Airsoft R&D Halo 3 shotgun for a tri-shot.
Hell yeah, brother.
This is the Lulu Crafting Girl Halo 5 Magnum kit for the AAP01. Just painted it last night. And this is the Foundry Airsoft SOCOM Magnum kit. With the NC Star laser and everything.
So what made you collect these guns?
Oh, I'm just a Halo nut, and I love Airsoft. So.
You're gonna love one of my teammates, man. He's a Halo fan too.
Yeah.
Huge Halo fan. You want to shout out any social medias or anything that you want to?
Spartan Jets. Just look up Halo Airsoft and you'll see me.
Alrighty.
Here's my card. We also got a community of people that are working on their own Halo Airsoft here as well. So
that's awesome, man. Dope gun, dope gun.
Yep. I'm just doing my part.
Watch out for the window. The window, yeah. I'm gonna go. Bye-bye. I'm crossing. Hey, you're right. You're right. There's 3 down the lane.
T-minus 8 minutes.
Did you get me? Good shit, good shit. Good shit, boy.
Second photos. Let me shoot it down real quick. What are you running in that?
2.5.
2.5?
Sorry. Somebody complain?
Sorry?
Somebody complain?
No, I'm just spot checking people right now.
Oh. This kind of threw me off. He said that he was random or spot checking, but he went back to the corner and radioed to the rep tower. So that kind of threw me off a little bit, but yeah, I just wanted to notice or point that out. I hit you. Hey, hey. Excuse me. Sorry. Alrighty, state your name.
CJ Serrano,
All right, so I got a few questions for you. You're the owner of,
Gulf Coast Airsoft, the Badlands.
all right, where is this located?
Inverness, Florida, 315 Highway 41 South.
Today's the grand opening. How do you think it's going so far?
It's been awesome, better than I was expecting.
Is there anything that you suggest to new airsoft owners or that you would give advice to them?
Just don't back down. I mean, if it's something you want to do, I mean, I'm not going to go into details, the fight we had with the city and stuff, but it was a big battle and we didn't let up. So we just kept pushing through.
Awesome. So what made you get into airsoft or being interested in owning an airsoft field?
I've been in airsoft since 1993 when I first stationed in Korea.
Awesome.
Each of us soldiers were shooting each other in the barracks with them without iPro.
Thank you for your service, man, honestly. Like, what's your, like, goal in playing airsoft?
In playing, it's the team building and meeting new people. I mean, that's the best thing about it because we got a good community. Of course, there's bad apples everywhere, but
Right.
as a whole, we have a really good community here. You know, I got a good friendship with Jonathan with Warzone. We have a lot of things coming down the pipeline that's going to include both fields. So
Okay.
that's really going to be an awesome time.
That's awesome. Well, I won't take much of your time. I know it's grand opening. I appreciate this interview. Do you have any last words, social medias you want to put out, Facebooks that you want to follow, Instagrams?
I'm not tech savvy, so I don't handle all that. But we have TikTok, we have Instagram, we have YouTube channel, we have everything for it. I mean, if you come out here, just have a good time.
Awesome. Thank you so much, boss.